Hey guys, what is up? So this is the Vernee Thor Plus, for those who didn't know. Wait, let me take the case off. Yeah, the Vernee Thor Plus. Now, this phone came out almost a year ago, in December of 2017. The first time I heard about this phone, I was really shocked, because this has an AMOLED display, and a battery of 6200 milliamp hours, and this such a thin design, and this phone is designed to be a power beast. Even if you look at this button over here on the side, it's going to enter a super power saving mode, which, as you can see, it shuts off almost all the pixels, and you only have your essentials. Now, this phone does have a great battery life, and on top of that, an amazing screen for the price, which is the $120 you can pick it up today. And not only that, performance is also really good for the price. Now, I wasn't expecting this phone to perform really well, but it does, even multitasking. Wait, I'm gonna add an app over here. So yeah, I am really loving. Now, this is the first time it's loading any of these apps, so don't get the wrong idea. Here, let's load an app that's not. So yeah, it's not flagship performance, right? This phone. This is a budget phone after all, but for a budget phone, uh, you do get a lot of good things. This is really a pleasant thing to play. Absolutely zero stutter. Can you believe that? Now, anyways, granted, I have set the animation speed to 0.5, but basically anyone can do that. If you don't know how to do that, I'm going to show you right now. So you go to settings, about phone, you go to build number, and tap that 7 or 5 times till it says you're a developer. I already am. So you're gonna see this option, developer options. You're gonna scroll down until you see this area, window animation scale, transition, and animator. So you set all of those to 0.5, and your phone is gonna be way faster. Unless you, for some reason, love those fancy animations, I think it's pretty pointless. Plus, you're still getting the animation. They're just faster, and I think that looks better in my opinion. Rear camera on the Vernee Thor Plus. It is 6 p.m. Really nice day today. Front-facing camera on the Vernee Thor Plus. So yeah, pretty good. The electronic image stabilization looks a bit funky. And now I can see why it's turned off. So as you can see, this is just the warm-up. Oh, we do have a bit of stutter. That just froze for like a full 2 seconds, but that's normal. As you can see, this is how it's normally gonna run, you see. Keep in mind, this phone has 3 gigs of RAM and the MediaTek 6753. Now we're gonna see how it's like when we leave this airplane. So there is a bit of stutter, but to be honest, it's playable. I think you can even take the graphics are on low, but you can even take get even to a whole new level. You can even make it lower. So this is a really demanding game, PUBG. So if this phone can run PUBG, then imagine what else it's capable of. And also, we don't have a stupid notch design like the black VOA 30. We have a very simple design, and even though I love slim bezels, I can really forgive the ones here. I don't know why. It does look, you don't really notice them because it's a black phone, it's black, everything's black. So the bezels don't really bother you if you're coming from like a thin bezel device or a no bezel device. Like, I'm going to bring my Note 9, I'm going to put it side by side, and we can see the bezel difference. And like, this is coming from a Note 9 user that using the Vernee Thor Plus is pleasant to use. So in short, I really like this phone mainly because it ticks almost all of my boxes. So my boxes are great build quality, great display, great battery life. So those are my main boxes. Those are the main things I'm looking for in a smartphone. And this phone is what I need. Like, it has a great battery life, even better than any Samsung phone that ever came out. A great display, AMOLED display, and performance is very decent, at least for the price. I mean, it's not gonna stutter in day to day. It can multitask. It can perform for any average user. Like, the only time you're gonna notice any stutters is when you're playing those high demanding 3D games. But other than that, I mean, this is a really good phone. I can honestly, these are one of the few phones that I can actually recommend that I actually reviewed. And I can say that on a lot of phones that I review on this channel, because a lot of them are like really cheap and slow. Like, a lot of them have the MTK6739, which I've used a few phones with that chip already, and I have noticed that that chip is slow. It is slow. It's slow. It stutters. But this is better. This is miles ahead. So if you're looking for a budget phone, then I recommend this entirely. So the only downside is the camera and the speaker quality could be a tiny bit better, but I mean, it's livable. It's not the end of the world. So we have a middle and glass design, or is aluminum. Sorry, I don't know how to say that. So that's I'm going to show you how the speakers are, which I realized I haven't done. You have a single fine speaker, of course. Now, this phone doesn't have a trendy design, so of course we're still gonna have a headphone jack, which Vernee has gotten rid of in their newer phones. But yeah, this is how the back looks like. It really does feel nice. It is a fingerprint magnet, and it is hard to get rid of those fingerprints, but it's not impossible. And once you do, this is how the phone is gonna look like. So yeah, I really, really like this phone. Great performance, great display, great battery life, even for today. And this phone came out again almost a year ago. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to check out my Discord server if you're a Discord user. That's the server that's gonna be for you guys. So we're gonna discuss pretty much anything. You can ask me any questions, and we are gonna grow it. You're gonna get support for pretty much every single phone. I'm gonna get more people to help me. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.